Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration section. Here as you can see we got the ring and notification volume panel, and just to mute your ringtone, swipe this dot to the left side with your finger, but I suggest you to use the another way, because if you'll do this by this way, you'll mute not only your ringtones and also you will mute your notifications. So we'll just turn on again this option, and here just go to the phone ringtone section, and as can you see we got here all the available ringtone sounds, and just to mute your ringtone swipe, change the as can you see we just get here selected the non ringtone, and by this way you can just mute your ringtones on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.